The reason why most of the countries in Africa are very poor because of our leaders. Our leaders, they think to loot their pockets with their kids. They don't think about other people. People are suffering to get medicines in hospitals. People, they don't have jobs. In that country, they have got a lot of minerals. You've got gold, other minerals in that country. Even the soil is very good to farm. Why they don't want to work with white people? They know that white people, they want fair things. White people, they don't want someone to suffer. If you go to Europe, you have got some of the rights. Even you are a foreigner, they don't care because they don't want to see someone is suffering. So that's why they don't want white people in that country. They say we don't want to work with white people. They want to work with Chinese. They know that Chinese, they came in Africa to mining and loot to go back to their country, and to leave that country is poor. But a white person can't leave that country remaining the poor. That's why they don't want to work with white people. They want to benefit. If those Chinese came and mine and they've got business, that money came in their pockets and feed their kids. They can took minerals because on those countries there is a lot of gold, diamonds, but they don't have companies, the real companies that other people, they are workers on that mine is being registered. They can send other people on that mine, and you've got gold and go to sell. People, they don't know how many kgs of gold was selling in the country every month. People, we don't know, they are selling gold and backyards. So it's very difficult that country to be, it's rich, but because of our leaders, they have got expensive cars. You've got expensive cars, private jets, billions of billions. Why they are getting that money? Guys, it's not possible that a person can have got billions of billions without selling gold. It can't happen. You understand? We are remaining poor, but white people, they can't watch and see it and keep quiet. Chinese, they keep quiet because they want to benefit, and their country is became rich than our country. But white people, they can't leave that country remaining poor. That's why they don't want to work with white people. You understand it? We are being suffering because of our leaders. They say we don't want to do this, or to force someone. If someone can say the truth, that person can get arrested. You can say you have to fix the roads, fix this and that. They don't want to fix, and you can get arrested because you say the truth most of the times.